Today we're going to create this super simple logo in Photoshop. But before we start, just keep in mind that this tutorial is for the people who are just starting out and need a quick logo for their website or a Facebook page, or maybe just to watermark their photos. We won't be creating super complex shapes in this video. If you're one of those people who wanna quickly mock up a logo, you found the right video. Don't worry about the stroke here, you don't need a graphics tablet for this. I'm going to teach you how to do this with just a mouse. So let's get started. First, let's fill this canvas with black color. Then take a type tool and type your name. I'm using the fonts called Deadhead Script, which you can download from thefont.com. I'll link it in the description. Let's align this to center both vertically and horizontally. Let's change the font size to 150 pixel. Now let's type the word photography. For this, I'm using the font Roboto Light. Size 30 pixel, and letter spacing 40. Let's align this to the below the name. Now let's draw this swoop here. Create a new layer and open up your brush panel by selecting the brush tool and right-clicking on the canvas. Change the hardness to 100%. Change the height of the brush to make the sharp strokes. Change the brush angle to 45 degrees. Like this. Now I'm going to make a smooth stroke. Make sure to change your smoothing options to 100%. I'm trying out a couple of strokes here. Try this on your own and try to come up with the natural shape. Again, I'm doing this with just a mouse. I think I like this one, it goes well with the font. I'm just going to move it up a little. Let's see how does this looks over an image. I'll just copy this image and paste it below the text layers. And we're done here. Let's save the logo as a PNG. First, let's select all three layers and group them. Delete the background layers for now. Now duplicate this group to create the same logo in black. Double-click on the group to open up the layer style. Check Color Overlay and select black color. Time to crop our logo. Go to Image and select Trim. Select Transparent Pixels and press OK. We're going to save the white logo first. So hide the black logo for now. And go to File, Export and select Save for Web. Select PNG and click Save. Now save the black logo by doing the same thing. You can use this logo to watermark your images. Drag and drop the logo onto your image and lower the opacity. Alternatively, you can save the logo with a background image to use it on your social media sites. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching.